Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix OBS Game Capture black screen. If you are facing a black screen issue while using OBS Studio to capture games or display content, it is usually due to graphics, settings, or permission issues. By adjusting your GPU preferences and running OBS as an administrator, you can easily fix the problem. Follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the OBS Game Capture black screen issue on your PC first. Open the Settings application on your PC. On the left panel, you will find different options. Now, click on System. After that, select the Display option. Scroll down and find the Graphics option. Here, click on Graphics. Use the search bar to search for OBS, then hit Add Desktop App button. Next, go to the local disk C and reach the Program Data folder. Following that, go to the Microsoft folder. Inside it, select Windows and then Start Menu folder. Now, reach the Program folder and you will find the OBS Studio folder. Click on it and hit the Add button. After that, click on OBS Studio, choose the High Performance option in GPU Preference. Next, open the OBS Studio application. In the Source area, click on Display Capture. Here, choose the Windows 10 option in the Capture method. In the Display area, you can select the HP option. Then, click on OK to save the changes. Another way is to go to the Start menu. Use the search bar to search for OBS Studio. Following that, you will find different options on the right side. Lastly, click on Run as Administrator to fix OBS Game Capture black screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.